Hello guys, welcome to Jiketa Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In the Databricks series, we are going to learn how to make the sum and average aggregation with respect to a group by function. So here the requirement, right? There is a column called salary. So we need to find the total salary and average salary. Along with that, we need to find the total salary or average salary based on the department name as well. So one is overall salary, which is average and total salary. The other one is the same salary bifurcation with respect to department. So let's see how to solve this problem using the PySpark. So here, right, first we calculate the total salary. For that we need to use AGG, okay, and sum of salary. So just use empdf dot salary column. Okay, since sum is a function, we have to import that, otherwise we get the errors. See, and let me provide a alias name for this, total salary as alias. Okay, so here we have a employee table. From this employee table we need to find the salary with respect to a department. Okay, now let me apply the dot show. So and I am executing the code. The total salary, which is 65,000. Now let's find the average salary. So average of, okay, pass the same variable which is salary and give the alias name as well for the column. So average AVG salary, that's it. Okay, perfect. Since AVG is a function, we have to import that as well. See, average salary. See, total salary is 65,000. Oh, 1 second. It's 6,05,000, not 65,000, and average salary is 65,000. So this is the overall number, but we need this bifurcation with respect to department. So we need to use group by like in a SQL. So here, right, just use employee underscore df dot department. That's it. Okay, now let's execute the code. So now we are going to get department wise total salary and average salary. So that's how we can find the department wise total and average salary by using the group by and along with sum and the average functions in a PySpark. That's it guys from this video. Thanks for watching this video.